Hi, 2000 Deals here. Just giving a brief demonstration on this 550R slide projector. Very nice projector, very clean projector. Everything is in working condition. Comes with a working lamp at the time of shipping. Will run both round and flat trays. Comes with the wired remote. So let's turn her on and see what it does. The focus is on the remote, so you can adjust it accordingly. Alright, let's put the flat tray on. And if you hold the button, it will just rapidly go through the slides. So there you go, both forward and reverse, round and flat tray. Any questions, don't hesitate to shoot us an email and we'll answer them as best we can. 2000 Deals out.